everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am very excited because I just bought a camera and I thought it would be fun to unbox it and show all of its features. It was highly recommended on Amazon and it is an HD digital video camera, full HD 1080p. Let's get to the unboxing. Okay, this is the box. Comes, this must be it. Here's a battery, another battery. Don't know. I think this is the charging brick. The user manual. I don't need to see the camera. Ooh. Oh wow. It's very small. But pretty sure it's a very good camera. Just a little bit. Put a battery in. I also bought a tripod, which I already opened. I think you take this off and put it in here. Okay, so this is the third day of recording this video. The first part was on May 7th, and I realized that this camera did not have an SD card, which it needs one in order to record. So I had to buy one, and then I got caught up in a Mother's Day party. But I'm recording this now, so how does it look? Better? I hope so. Alright, so let's see. Let's test some of the features. Okay, so this is zoom. Ew. This is EV plus 3. EV minus 3. And that's it.